How to recover deleted messages in Telegram. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how, here in today's video we will be showing you, so let's just get started. So there are different methods available. First of all, let's head over to Telegram, open it up, and then once you open it up, you may log in into your account with your phone number. Once you are logged in, let's just head over and delete one of the messages. So let me say, for example, this one right here. I have this conversation right here. So if I would like to delete it, what you can do is long press on the chat and you should be finding delete option at the top, tap on it, and you can click on delete chat. Once you do so, you will be finding undo option. You can click on it and undo the chat, and this is one of the methods you can recover the deleted messages in Telegram. Apart from that, there are different other methods available as well, which is going to your device's Telegram settings. Head over to data and storage and ensure that all of the data is stored into your cloud backup. Once it is stored, make sure these options are also turned on so that whenever you are downloading the media will be downloaded in your device automatically. And even if you delete Telegram or any of the chat, it will be stored in your device's storage. Apart from that, we have this option of save to gallery. You may turn it on as well. And as I said earlier, ensure that it is all stored on your cloud drafts. You can look out for your storage uses and look out for your data right here. Now, what you may do is you may just close this up and you can head over to devices settings, open it up. And then once you open it up, you may just scroll down from the given options and look out for this accounts and backup option, tap on it, and then open up Telegram within that and look out for sync account option, tap on it and ensure this option is turned on so that whenever you log in Telegram from a new device, it will be particularly stored in the Telegram even when you delete it. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to recover deleted messages in Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.